Hello, welcome to Shared Reading. Make sure that you have your core board or your communication device with you so we can talk about the book as we read it. Today we're going to read a book called Just a Baby Bird by Mercer Meyer. Before we start reading our book, let's look at the cover. Here's our title, Just a Baby Bird. The picture has a boy, a girl, a cat, a dog, and a bird. What do you think our story is going to be about? Tell somebody next to you. Okay, let's open our book and find out. Little sister and I play in the yard. We hear peep, peep, peep. What do you think is making that noise? Let's turn the page and find out. We find a baby bird, but where is the mama bird? We look. Dad helps. We do not find the mama bird. Oh no, where could the mama bird be? Let's turn the page. We tiptoe to the baby bird. We are so very careful, but the baby bird hops away. Oh, I think the baby bird did not like that they were coming close, and he wanted to go away. Dad pokes holes in a box. He carefully catches the baby bird with the box. Let's find the nest, says Dad. Oh, Dad made a box for the bird and put the bird inside. We look high in the trees. We look low in the bushes. We look everywhere. We do not find a nest, but Dad gets stuck in a tree. Oh, our characters are looking and looking for the mama bird and the nest, but they cannot find her. We make a little nest. If the mama bird is near, she will feed her baby. We hide and wait. The baby bird peeps and peeps. No mama bird comes. Let's think about a time that we waited and waited for something. Tell the person next to you about it. Great. Let's turn the page. The baby bird must be hungry. Mom searches online to find the right food. Mom makes dinner for the baby bird. Our bird loves it. It looks like our bird is eating a worm for dinner. Would you like eating worms? I would not like eating worms. I like eating pizza. Let's turn the page. We make a bed for the baby bird in an old fish tank. He is safe. Dad puts a towel over the tank. Now the baby bird will sleep. We say, "Good night, baby bird." Baby bird is gonna sleep somewhere different. Have you ever slept somewhere different? Where did you sleep? One time, I slept in a hotel room. That was different. We're gonna turn the page. Day after day, the baby bird grows bigger and bigger. Our baby bird is so big. Let's look. The baby bird started out really small and is growing bigger and bigger. Now he looks different. Dad says, "Baby bird is too big. I built a birdhouse. Maybe our bird will stay." Let's make a prediction. Do you think that the bird will stay in the new birdhouse? Let's find out. Turn the page. We open the tank outside. Our baby bird flies away. Where will he go, I ask? Some birds fly south for the winter, says Mom. Maybe our bird will be back. Oh, the bird did not stay in the birdhouse. He went away. Summer ends. Fall ends too. Winter comes. I always look for our bird. But he does not see the bird. Spring is here. I hear tweet, tweet, tweet. We all run to see. Who do you think is making that tweet noise? Let's find out. Our bird sits on the birdhouse. He is much bigger now. Look, I say, our bird has a family too. How cool is that? He was just a baby bird. Now he is grown up with a baby bird of his own. So when our book started, there was just one bird. Now there are more birds. There are 3 birds on the birdhouse. Our book is finished. What did you think? Did you like our book? Or did you not like our book? Tell who's sitting next to you what you thought. Thank you for joining us.